Hello, jewelers. I made this ring, and the ring part itself was a piece of junk that I got from Halloween or something like that. It was like, it looked like infinity with two loops together, and I cut them apart to make two rings. And then this piece of plastic came from the war game WarHammer, the Auric Cruel Boys faction. It was a banner, and I cut it off. And what's really cool about it, I don't know if you can see it or not, what's really cool about it is the fact that it's got like little nails coming out of his head, so he looks like Hellraiser. And let's see how many I can see. I see at least two, maybe three, maybe there's a third one there. I see a little imperfection too that now that I got it out in the natural light, I'll have to fix. But you have to be really careful when you wear this. So I'm going to wear it like, it's not quite dry, but I'm going to wear it like this so that this part is facing up towards my back of my hand rather than out. And I'll never have my keys in my pocket when I wear this because it's made of plastic and can easily get broken, those parts. The way I made it is I used Citadel paint, which is made by Games Workshop, the same company as WarHammer, and I used LeadBelcher base, and I mixed it in one of these bottles, 50-50 with distilled water, don't use tap water, and then I added, in about 20 milliliters, I added about 10 drops of thinner, U.S. Art Supply, and 5 drops of flow improver, also U.S. Art Supply, and then I sprayed it with an airbrush after priming it black with Vallejo surface primer. And then for a highlight, I used this layer paint, RuneFang steel, again diluted. Even though it's thinner paint, I again diluted it because I wanted it to be thinner for the highlight. I wanted it to be thinner, so I again diluted it 1-to-1 with distilled water and added the same amount of thinner and flow improver to it. And that's how I sprayed it. Thank you, jewelers.